guys, today I'm super excited to introduce to you our LASR exclusive Loungefly Disney Mickey Bat Convertible Mini Backpack. This Mickey Bat has a super nice Saffiano leather finish. It has a swivel patent leather wings, which it can close and it can open whenever you want to. And it comes with a set of shoulder strap, crossbody strap. Doesn't matter how you adjust it, you can just lock and close and take it off if you want. And it also comes with a second set of belt buckle adjustable back strap for you to wear on your back. And the best part of this bag is the face actually glows in the dark. Lights off. See, isn't he cute? He's glowing. Here, let me put it closer so you can see his face. Yeah, he is super cute. Okay, lights on. Wasn't that adorable? Isn't that super cute? Yeah, so if you are super in love with Mickey Bat Convertible Mini Backpack, make sure to shop on LASR because he is only exclusive to LASR. If you love him, make sure to grab him right away because he is flying away. So guys, cheers!